Welcome to proxygeo.com. In this video, we will show the instructions on how to buy YouTube proxy from our site. First of all, you need to create an account at proxygeo.com. After visiting proxygeo.com, you click on sign in here. Next, you click on don't have account yet, sign up. Next, you fill in the needed sections here. First is email address. For example, this is my email address. Next is the first name and last name. Then the phone number. Next is the password. Remember that a strong password needs 8 to 20 letters consisting of uppercase letter, lowercase letter, number, and special character. Next, confirm password. Then you tick on I'm not a robot. Finally, you click register. Next, you check your email to confirm your account. We will send you an email with the subject confirm your email. If you don't see it in the inbox, please check your spam box. This one, confirm your email. Then click on this email. Click on look safe. Then back to your inbox. You will see the confirm email here. Click on this email and then click on confirm email. After your email is confirmed successfully, you click on login here. Next, you enter the email address and password, then click sign in to log in your account at proxygeo.com. You can see the information of created account here. To buy YouTube proxy, you back to the homepage of proxygeo.com, then click on pricing here. Select YouTube proxy. You will see the different packages of YouTube proxy here. 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. For example, I buy 1 month proxy, click buy now here. Then scroll down, you will see the payment details here. First, you enter the number of proxy that you want to buy into the quantity section here. You will get 1% discount for every order of 100 proxies, up to 10%. You need to buy 100 proxies at least for each order of YouTube proxy. Next, you can select the rotation minutes here, 10, 20, 30, or 60. It's up to you. Also, you can change this rotation time later. Next, with payment currency, leave it at the default USD. Come to the payment method. You can pay with 2 methods here. The first one is ProxyGeo wallet, and the second one is Visa or MasterCard. In case you select the first option at payment method here, you need to deposit your ProxyGeo wallet. Click on deposit here. Then you can see the different methods to deposit your wallet. First, if you want to top up your account with crypto via Coinbase automatically, you can click on this one. Then enter the deposit amount here. For example, I enter 100. and then click submit. Then you can select the wallet that you want to pay here. Another way to deposit your ProxyGeo wallets automatically is via Visa and MasterCard. Click on this one, then enter the deposit amount, then click submit. Then you need to fulfill the needed information here. Finally, you click pay. After you complete the payment, your ProxyGeo wallets will be deposited automatically within 5 minutes. You can back to the account's information to check the account balance. You can see the account balance changes to $100 here. If the amount you deposited had not been added to your account as ProxyGeo, please contact us for support. In case you want to top up your ProxyGeo wallet manually, you click on this one. Then you can select one of the different payment methods that we presented here. After making payment, please contact us to show the payment proof. Then we will have you deposit your ProxyGeo wallets manually. So we have just instructed you to deposit your ProxyGeo wallets with different methods. After depositing your wallet, back to the payment details here. Then scroll down. Click on this one to create the term of use. You can click on term of use to read it. Finally, you click buy now. So these are steps need to be taken if you want to buy YouTube proxy with ProxyGeo wallets. Now we come to another payment method. In case you want to pay with Visa or MasterCard directly, you can click on this one at the payment method section. Next, you click on this one to agree to the term of use. Then click on buy now. Then you need to fulfill the needed information here. Then click subscribe. Remember that if you pay with Visa or MasterCard, your proxy package will be renewed automatically. After buying proxy, you back to your account, then click on proxy management. Select the proxy that you bought. Now I will select YouTube proxy. Then you will see the provided proxy. You need to assign a set ID to this proxy for authorization before using them. Assigning a set ID for authorization is really important because it will help you enhance security, control access to these proxies, and prevent fraud. Now I instruct you to assign a text ID. First, you tick on the proxy that you want to allow a text ID. If you do not tick on any proxy before assigning a text ID, the edit ID will be assigned to all proxies here. Next, you visit whatismyimailaddress.com to check your ID. Copy the IPv4 here. Then click on assign a text ID. paste the copy IP, then click submit. You can see the edit IP at IP's allow asset column here. Next, you click on these two proxy, then click on export file. Then you can see the extracted file proxy here. You can wait for 10 to 15 minutes after assigning a set ID to use these proxies. After exporting proxy files, now I instruct you to use these proxy on Firefox browser. You open Firefox browser, then visit whatismyipaddress.com. And this is the IP, IPv6 here. Now, you click on this icon. Click on Manage More Settings. You type proxy here. Then click on the setting. This is the connection settings. You click on Manual Proxy Configuration. Then add one of these two proxy into this one. And this part. Remember to tick on Onshore, use this proxy for HTTPS. Then click OK. Next, back to whatismyipaddress.com. Reload this page. Then you can see the IPv6 changed here. These steps demonstrated above are instructions on how to buy, then use YouTube proxy at proxygeo.com. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.